Sharon was like, let's just go. And so everybody thought we were stealing. Alright baby, ready to go eat at Cheesecake Factory? You like cheesecake, right? No, wait, you're vegan. Yeah. We should go there to get their Asian food. They have like everything, right? Asian, American, Indian. So it says it's accessible through Barnes & Noble, but how? Do you see an accessible Cheesecake Factory entrance? I think the accessibility is from the outside of Barnes & Noble, not the inside. You should have said around Barnes & Noble. So we couldn't find an entrance, so we just walked out of the alarm sound door, and the alarm went off as we exited. Sharon was like, let's just go. And so everybody thought we were stealing. Said feel like you're back in California. Cheesecake Factory is different here, right?
In LA, Cheesecake Factory is like BJ's. It's like not that good.
Here, Cheesecake Factory is barbecue ribs. Another good time is remember when we were in Colorado and we were vlogging all those Colorado restaurants and we had like margarita every restaurant.
Oh, that was fun.
That was fun. We had margaritas every day with every meal. There was so much good Mexican food in Colorado. I was surprised to find that out. Like Denver, Colorado, Colorado Springs. They actually have a lot of good Mexican food. There's like a ton of Mexicans living there. All right, we got the mojitos here. Let's have a little sipperoo. That was good. Yeah, I like it. So there's a bigger salad than this?
Yeah, I mean, I'd say probably our like the Santa Fe salad or the Chinese salad. It comes in like a pretty big size.
Wow. So. That's the Cobb salad, you guys. This burrito is huge. Can't wait to take a bite of this burrito. Here's my first bite. Cheesecake Factory Grand Burrito. Wow, it's so flavorful, so delicious. How's yours?
Pretty bomb.
Today we're here in Loving Hut. It's one of the top vegan places in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And it's located in Arlington, Texas. And it's supposed to be like one of the best vegan places. It's more like a more casual fast food style restaurant. And it's pretty cheap, like each meal is around $10. So we're gonna give it a try.
It was okay.
We've tried Loving Hut. I'd say the food would be maybe 4 stars. And the place doesn't look very fancy. It's a very casual, simple place. They have paper plates, plastic forks, but the food is good. I'd say for the price, it's worth it. It's like fair pricing. They have good sandwiches, good pizza, good burgers. Everything is made with seitan, so if you don't like seitan, you probably won't like this restaurant. I mean, there's a few options without seitan here. But anyways, the restaurant is definitely worth a try if you're vegan, and really it's one of the top options because there's not many options in DFW for 100% vegan menus.
The best vegan place I've tried, but the standards are very low in DFW area.
Compared to all the great vegan restaurants we tried in LA, nothing here can even come close. LA is probably the capital of veganism in the world. For vegan restaurants in DFW, you're extremely limited. I think Arlington is one of the best places for Mediterranean food. There's a huge population of Middle Eastern people. Oh my god, they're doing apple pie samples. I love apple pie. There's nothing more American than apple pie.
This is actually peach.
Oh.
I've got the peach going right now.
Oh, okay. Well, peach pie is the next best thing.
It is.
Well, it's so good. I love it.
I'm good. How are you?
Have you gone on any vacations lately?
I just got back from Colorado.
Really? Oh, Colorado's awesome. Where'd you go?
I went to Colorado Springs.
Oh, Colorado
Saw my
Springs is
dad.
the best. We did a bunch of vlogs in Colorado Springs. If you guys want to check that out, it's on our channel.
You did?
Yeah. So we love Colorado Springs. Did you try any good vegan places? Are you vegan?
I'm vegetarian.
There's
Okay.
this really good little shack that has like burgers.
I
They have just burgers and fries, but it's so good.
What's it called?
It's Satana's.
It's my hometown, you know. I should have known, but I don't.
Really?